Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. Today's tutorial is going to be a really simple way to do a bun. You want to start off by brushing your hair, and then you're going to separate your hair into 3 sections. You want 1 section on each side and 1 section at the back. We're going to start with the back section. So arrange the back section how you like it, and then you're going to do a normal 3-strand braid. You're going to take the outside pieces of hair over the middle piece of hair. Going to braid all the way down to the bottom. And then you're going to do the same thing again with the pieces of hair at the side of your head. Arrange them first how you like them and then braid. Otherwise you'll get a funny bump when you try and put the braids back towards the back of your head. Once you've done all your braiding, you can then start to pull the braids apart if you want to. Because the braid at the back of my head is bigger than the ones on the side, I decided to pull apart the braids at the side of my head. To pull apart a braid, you gently grab each side of the braid and you just pull. If you have any kind of texturizing spray, if you spray that on, it makes pulling apart the braids a lot easier. When you're happy with your braids, you're then going to arrange them at the back of your head. Start with the first braid you did, wrap it round into a circle and pin it. And then arrange the other braids over the top. I think this is a really pretty updo, which will be perfect if you've got any parties to go to. If you already know how to braid, it won't take very long and it looks really complicated. You can also leave little pieces out if you want a messier look. And that's it. I really hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out my other videos and subscribe if you want to. If you have any comments, please leave them down below. See you again soon. Bye.